how to download Crunchyroll app on Android phone. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to download Crunchyroll app. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video until the very end. In order to download, first of all go ahead and tap in your Play Store. After you do that, go ahead at the top box of search and then tap in there and then type Crunchyroll. After you do that, go ahead and tap on search and then go ahead and install. Now it will take some time, depends on the quality of internet you have. Anyways, after waiting patiently for some time, you can go ahead and tap on open and then enjoy all the features of Crunchyroll. So that's how we can easily download Crunchyroll application in our mobile phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.